morning. Today we are going ziplining, ATV, and kayaking all in one day. It is 9 a.m. right now, so our first stop is ziplining. I'm a little scared of heights, so let's see how this goes. Let's also hope I can capture this on camera.
Walking I do is up and down like
Trekking
stairs.
uphill.
Although I think the worst walking trip I've ever done was like Paris and having to go to Versailles.
Oh my god, I'm going next month.
I mean, it was beautiful,
Fuck
totally
me.
worth it.
You
No,
walk like
totally worth
crazy.
it. But like the cobblestones,
Oh yeah,
I had so many
fucks your-
blisters on like the bottom of my feet.
Oh my god.
It's terrible.
I'm so hungry.
I bought food.
Are you alive?
No one ate it.
I had one hash brown.
Ah.
Literally,
Oh my
I went to
god.
bed last night and I was like, Sasha, I know no one wanted breakfast, but I do. I was like, I want food and coffee. I need fucking coffee.
My glutes are really working early this morning.
Look out at me.
Oh shit, my bad.
This is their car, by the way.
Oh.
It couldn't drive us up here.
He couldn't drive it? Why didn't he drive us up?
1 star.
Couldn't make it up this hill.
1 star. I give that Uber driver 1 star.
That's crazy. You see how steep this hill is?
Bro, let me talk to the surveyor who made this fucking road.
You see how steep this road is? He really made us walk down.
There's more cocks over there.
Oh my gosh.
Use some V4s?
We couldn't have just hiked.
No, I'd really rather. Think of how many bugs are probably.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be in the air. Are you guys ready? Ready?
They're busy.
Okay.
Are you ready?
No.
I'm a little scared.
I'm very scared. I hate heights, but whee!
Oh, they just drop you off in the jump.
Time to go.
It was so funny that your car. You gotta get them when they go.
I know. Now we're going into the forest. Oh, there we go. Are you guys ready to go in the forest? Woo!
Let's go, Ivy.
They're forcing me to go first. Like, they're forcing me to go.
Nervous last
Uh-oh. Help!
Stand up on the bench. Wash your head. Hold here, lady. Thank you.
Sasha, we ready? No. Yeah? No, but yeah? Okay. Oh, don't go yet? Oh, I pulled myself back. backwards. Help! Help, I'm stuck. Help me! I'm stuck! He said I gotta eat more rice and beans. Grab the line.
Hold on, you good?
Yes. They had to come collect me.
How was it?
It was fun.
Look.
Dana's winning. Princess is over there. He's still there. But that was me. That was me. It's okay. No shame.
Fingers, don't do that.
No shame. I laid down to try to go faster, but I just wouldn't go. Oh, you.
More rice and beans. Face that way, yeah.
Wow, that's an extra workout.
Oh my god.
Thank God they came.
Triceps.
Good?
Pull him? That's hilarious.
I kicked the shit out of a tree.
Bro, so
No, I smacked the GoPro into a tree.
So bad. I was like, ah!
That was so much fun. I would do it again. We did it! Woo! You sounded very tired. She said we did it. Back to climbing stairs.
My fitness is so disappointing.
The what? Thank you. You wanna give a little kiss for the camera? We're done. If we survive this ride. Look, don't fly off.
Yeah, why did we leave Vikachka
On the
end?
corner.
She's just gonna go.
Rollaway bride. Rollaway bride.
We had a super quick lunch, and now it's time to go ATVing. Is Dennis driving?
I don't know how.
Oh, right. You ready?
Ready?
Oh my god, my hair is crazy.
Mountain. Does anyone here is visiting Puerto Rico for the first time?
Yeah.
I'm doing my hat.
Okay. You're gonna hold it right there. Don't squeeze it just yet. Not squeezing. Yep. Aim someone and just aim. No, come on. No,
Aim.
stop, dude. Come on, no. Oh my god. No,
This is Ben.
Wow, I didn't know they were gonna be into that.
Hey, did he tell you?
We can't believe it.
Okay, I'll show you an angle. I'm gonna show you some angles.
Happy marriage. Happy marriage.
All right.
Oh,
Record him. Oh my god.
We appreciate the effort.
Are you good? My precious passenger over here. But that's because the terrain is bumpy, not because of my driving. They put the two lightest girls in the same car. Like, of course we were gonna fly. We got it, we got it. Thumbs hurt though. Thumbs hurt from this thing. This thing hurts. Just finished dinner and now we're headed to our last activity of the night, which is bioluminescent kayaking. I don't like dark waters, and we're kayaking in the dark, so lovely. I'm leaving after kayaking, so
But I might see her tomorrow for the beach.
oh yeah. But thank you for inviting me for this whole trip.
Thank you for coming.
It was so fun. You're cute and I love you.
Thanks.
Ready?
Not ready, but ready.
Don't drown.
Ready. Don't say that to me.
Ah! Oh God, you're spraying me! Your skin still looks good though. I got it.
We are done for the night. Are you done for the night? Yeah. Checking in. I am tired, deceased, but Nick's here. He collected my remains.
Yeah, she's alive.